In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits in ElevenLabs. If you haven't joined ElevenLabs yet, we highly recommend using our affiliate link to sign up, which not only supports our channel, but also helps keep bringing you more valuable content like this. Now, let's dive straight into it. You might have previously known it as Quota, but now, in the ElevenLabs platform, it's referred to as credits. Understanding how to manage and increase your credits is crucial to maximizing what you can get out of ElevenLabs. The first and most straightforward method to get more credits is by subscribing to a higher tier. For those of you on the starter tier, it's important to note that if you run out of your allocated monthly credits, you won't be able to buy additional credits immediately. This limitation means that once your monthly credits are exhausted, you're out of luck unless you upgrade. To overcome this, you'll need to subscribe to the Creator tier. This upgrade will unlock the ability to purchase additional credits, allowing you to continue using the platform seamlessly, even if you go over your monthly limit. As you ascend to higher tiers, you'll notice two key advantages. First, your monthly credit limit will increase, allowing you more flexibility and room to work on your projects. Second, the cost of purchasing additional credits becomes more economical. It's a win-win situation for power users who rely heavily on the platform's services and want more bang for their buck. If you're already on one of the higher tiers and need to add more credits, the process is straightforward. Simply navigate to your profile, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile will reveal an option to add credits. From there, you can follow the prompts to purchase the additional credits that best suit your needs. It's that easy. To wrap it up, managing your credits in ElevenLabs is all about making smart decisions based on your usage patterns. Moving to a higher tier not only provides you with more monthly credits, but it also gives you the flexibility to buy additional credits at a reduced cost if needed. And remember, if you're already on a higher tier and need to top up your credits, just head over to your profile and add credits directly from there. Thank you for watching, and be sure to use our affiliate link if you're planning to join or upgrade on ElevenLabs. This has been a quick guide on boosting your credits in ElevenLabs. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.